Good morning everyone. I am Krushnapriya Panda studying in first year ETC in UCP Engineering School. Today here I will present an interesting topic that has a lot of messages for us. If you look at the present situation of the modern era, you can find that the world is connected with automation and modern technology. So once again good morning everyone. I am Krushnapriya Panda and my topic is Internet of Things. Now I am considering the present scenario and some of the future developing technology. I have made this topic. So here is my table content on the topic of IOT. History of IOT, IOT definition, how IOT works, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. History of IoT. In 1999, the term Internet of Things was used by Kevin Austin during his work at P&G, which became widely accepted. 2004, the Internet of Things mentioned in famous publications like the Gowardin, Boston Globe, and Scientific American. In 2005, UN's International Telecommunication Union published its first report on this topic. In 2008, the Internet of Things was born. In 2011, Gartner, the market research company, included the Internet of Things technology in their research. Definition of IoT. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with a unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. How IoT works. Internet of Things is not the result of a single novel technology. Instead, several complementary technical developments provide capabilities that taken together help to bridge the gap between the virtual and physical world. These capabilities include sensor or devices, connectivity, data processing, user interface. Now I am going to discuss about sensor or devices. Sensors or devices are a key component that help you to collect live data from the surrounding environment. All this data may have various levels of complexity. It could be a simple temperature monitoring sensor or it may be in the form of the video feed. Sensor or devices are different types like alcohol sensor, ultrasonic sensor, IR optical sensor. Alcohol sensor. An alcohol sensor detects the attentiveness of alcohol gas in the air and an analog voltage is an output radian. Optical sensor. An optical sensor converts light rays into electronic signals. Gas sensor. Gas sensors are electronic devices that detect and identify different types of gases. Connectivity. All the collected data is sent to a cloud infrastructure. The sensor should be connected to the cloud using various mediums of communications. These communication mediums include mobile or satellite networks, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN, etc. Data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud, the software performs processing on the gathered data. This process can be checking the temperature, reading on devices like AC or heaters. However, it can sometimes be very complex like identifying object using computer vision on video. User interface. The information need to be available to the end user in some way, which can be achieved by triggering alarms on their phones or sending them notification through email or text message. The user sometimes might need an interface which actively tracks their IoT system. For example, the user has a camera installed in his home. He wants to access video recording and all the feeds with the help of a web server. What is an example of Internet of Things device? A light bulb that can be switched on using a smartphone app is an IoT device, as is a motion sensor or a smart thermostat is your office or a connected street light. An IoT device could be as a fluffy as a shell toy or as a serious as a driverless truck. Some larger objects may themselves be filled with many smaller IoT components, such as a jet engine that's now filled with thousands of sensors collecting and transmitting data back to make sure it is operating efficiently. Network used in transportation, security, and surveillance, industrial smart infrastructure in healthcare, etc. IoT used in traveling, building management, smart homes, cities, in agriculture field, etc. IoT also object to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure, creating opportunity for more direct integration between the physical world and computer-based system, and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefit. Now I am going to discuss about advantages of IoT. Ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any device. Improve communication between connected electronic devices, transferring data packets over a connected network, saving time and money. And automatic tasks, helping to improve the quality of business service and reducing the need for human intervention. Disadvantages of IoT is the number of connected devices increase and more information is shared between devices. The potential that a hacker could steal confidentially information also increase. Enterprise may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, maybe even millions of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be challenging. If there's a bug in the system, it's likely that every connected device will become corrupted. Since there's no international standard of compatibility for IoT, it's difficult for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. And last conclusion. As best as we can see, much of this future unfolds in the context of the Internet of Things. In fact, we envision that all industrial and infrastructure, environment, and cyber physical systems in general will take the form reminiscent of what today is referred to as the Internet of Things. Thank you for watching and listening my video.